Salam Doston, hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with the Chilovs. My name is Hussein. In this video, I want to talk to you about some business Tajik, more specifically about a business trip. And we're going to cover some of the vocabulary words that you might need if you go to one of those meetings. So our first word is business. Business in Tajik, we say tijorat. Tijorat. And also you can say business. Business. We use both tijorat and business. Next, client. Client is mizoj. Mizoj. But people also say client. Client. You can use both client or mizoj. Another one is colleague. Colleague will be hamkor. Hamkor. Kor means a job or work. Next, manager. Manager will be manager. Manager. Very similar. Manager. You can also hear people saying mudir. Mudir, which means manager. Boss. Boss will be rais. Rais. And if you say boss, people will still be able to understand you. Boss or rais. Next is money. Money in Tajik is pul. Pul. Okay? And this one is dah somoni. Our currency is somoni. Here you can see somoni. So this is like $1. In Tajikistan is like $1. And this one is a coin, which is 1 somoni. So if you want to learn more about the Tajik currency, you can watch our video, and the link to the video will be in the description box. Profit. Profit will be foida. Foida. And the contract is shartnoma. Shartnoma. Next, proposal. Proposal will be peshnihot. Peshnihot. And the exhibition is namoishgoh. Namoishgoh. Booking in Tajik is bronkuni. Bronkuni. And the verb to book will be bronkardan or bandkardan. Bandkardan. Next, schedule or schedule. Jadval or naqsha. Jadval or naqsha. Alright, another one, email. Email will be почтой электрони. Почтой электрони. And the last one, a phone number. Phone number will be рақами мобили. Рақами мобили. Alright, now let's look at some sentences. I have an appointment with a client. Man bo mizoj vo khori doram. Man bo mizoj vo khori doram. Alright, next, here is my business card. Mana korti tijori man. Mana korti tijori man. Alright, another one. I need to use a computer. Man boyat computero istifoda baram. Man boyat computero istifoda baram. And computer in Tajik is royona. Royona. But nobody says royona. Everybody says computer. I need to send an email. Man boyat почтой электронiro феристонам. Man boyat почтой электронiro феристонам. We are attending a modar, and then the place you are going to, ishtirok mekunim. For example, we are attending a conference. Modar konferense ishtirok mekunim. We are attending a meeting. Modar vokhuri ishtirok mekunim. Or we are attending a trade fair. Modar yarmarki savdo ishtirok mekunim. Alright, thank you very much for watching. And I hope you found something useful in this video, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel. So, alright, we'll see you again very soon. Khair.